Hello, welcome back. I'm out in the shop this morning and I just wanted to move on with a few of the pieces of my old drill press. If you remember, I kind of got the vise situated where I don't have all the holes in there. What I wanted to do is this here part, it attaches there. I wanted a wire brush it. Well, I wanted to clean it up, soak it in kerosene, mineral spirits, that's what it is. Mineral spirits, kind of brush it, then wire brush it, sandblast it, and see what it turns out like. I was going to do the same thing to the handle. I already did the lead screw, the part that goes through here. I just wire brushed it and it looks pretty good. Here, let me give you a close-up. I'm Glenn Nowakowski and you're watching Glenn Now on YouTube. Here's the handle. I really like that. That is a nice looking handle. It's all cast iron. I'm going to do the same thing to that. Soak it. I don't think anything's going to come off there. It's all old paint. I'm going to wire brush it. That might help get rid of the paint, but I'm sure the sandblasting will do the most of it. This part, like I said, it goes right here. I don't know if you can see the serrations on there. It's supposed to lock the vise in place when you turn it, if you want to do angled holes. But that has to be, there's old grease on here. So I'm going to soak it, wire brush it with a small wire brush, and then I'll power wire brush it, and then put it in the sandblaster. I love that thing already. Like I said, I did this. I don't know if you could see that. It's shinier. I just put a power wire brush and did that. And it turned out a lot better. It's shiny. Before it was just black. It was like this here. We're going to see what that turns out like. Okay, let's get into that. I'm going to start out again. I'm going to use the mineral spirits that I did before. See if I can get this open. All right. I'm not going to spend too much time doing this. Most of the buildup of grease is right here. It's coming off little by little. That's all old paint. Okay, let's go over to the power wire brush, wire wheel. Let's go do that. We're going to see how this works. For just doing the wire wheel, I think these look pretty good. I think we should go over to the sandblaster, see if we can get some of this paint off, and it's ready for primer. It'll be the same shape as the rest of the vise. Let's do that. Okay, the parts are in the sandblaster. I'm going to put these on, start the air compressor and the vacuum, and this should be it for these parts. Let's do that. Well, there's a couple more pieces that go to the vise that are ready for painting. 2 more pieces finished. This is going to be a long project. But anyway, they're ready for painting. I think they come out really good. So this video is a wrap. So until next time, enjoy.